The message that I'll be preaching tonight, I anchor in a book that I've just released that I wrote with my brother. The book that is called Making Space for God. It's been released on Amazon Kindle for those people that want to buy it. When you look at a train, this train can move tons and tons and tons of steel across vast distance. I mean, enormously heavy weight that they carry. And yet, they move with ease. How? The locomotive does not move just because of raw power alone. The elegance, the ease with which the locomotive moves is down to its design. The secret of the locomotive is in the wheel and the rail. Because the wheel and the rail of the locomotive is actually steel on steel. Someone listening to me. And that takes away a lot of friction. Now, all that the engine of the locomotive does actually is to start the engine. Once the engine starts and start pulling this thing, it actually just glides. Because the point of contact with each other is devoid of friction. That's alignment. And that is the reason why this gigantic thing is able to pull a lot of weight. It's a system that is engineered to minimize resistance. The engine provides the power, the rail makes movement sustainable. Once the train starts moving, momentum does most of the work. This image teaches us something essential. God never intended faith to be dragged. He intended faith to glide. God does not intend for faith to what? To be dragged. Oftentimes when we talk about faith, we always talk about, look at men and women that walk by faith in the Bible. They glide, they glow.